big funds can't do what I can do. Let me walk you through that, and it's not an idle boast. Warren Buffett admits Berkshire Hathaway is too big to generate the returns he's used to. When you've got £50 billion to deploy, you can't take a position in an overlooked mid-cap stock or niche exchange-traded fund. It's like trying to steer an oil tanker into a tiny harbour. My program? It's a speedboat. We can act fast. We can buy anything. We can take positions the giants can't and move where the opportunities appear. If you want your pension managed by you like a speedboat instead of an oil tanker, have a look at the links in the bio of all the free resources, alpeshpatel.com/links. I think you'll not only be intrigued, but you'll be delighted. Thank you.